to the Young Man's Workshop. On today's show, I am putting a brand new tabletop on this saw. When I first started my workshop, the first tool that I got was a table saw. Now, I did not want to get a brand new expensive table saw because the things I had originally planned to do with this saw in my workshop were very, very low tech and not very complex. During the summer, I looked around to different tag sales and finally came across one that was in good shape and actually came with a dust collection system. However, the current configuration that you saw me pull apart earlier just would not work for me. I didn't really realize at the time that I was not going to have miter slots or a stable, uninterrupted table surface to do my work on. So this show will show me making a brand new smooth tabletop for it so I can accomplish a little bit more with what I need to accomplish. One thing that I had a lot of issue with when doing this table saw was keeping things square. And I think one of the main issues I had, because it didn't come out as exactly square as I wanted, was I should have used my giant blue T-square, my panel square, to make sure everything was lined up with that table saw blade. I did make sure that the square itself was clamped to the table saw blade, so that was square. However, there was a little bit of deflection with the aluminum pipe that I was using and with the yellow square I had clamped to the table saw blade. And that half a degree of difference made a world of difference when the rails were set up for the fence. Because that half a degree meant that I created a wedge on that side of the table saw top. And so when I slide my fence later, and you'll see that in part 2 of this video, the fence would just wedge because the left side of the table saw top was wider than the right side of the table saw top. Thanks for watching part 1 of this series. Next time I'll take you through mounting the rails on the aprons and the table saw fence. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, comment below. See you next time.